Caught in a riptide, understanding its depths. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the intricacies of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that's rich in imagery and meaning: caught in a riptide. Whether you're a language learner or simply love exploring English expressions, this video is for you. Let's unravel the layers behind this phrase and see how it applies both literally and metaphorically in everyday English. First, let's break down the literal meaning of being caught in a riptide. A riptide, also known as a rip current, is a strong, narrow current of water that moves directly away from the shore. It can quickly pull swimmers out to sea, making it a dangerous situation for those caught unaware. The key elements here are strength, direction, and the element of surprise. Understanding this natural phenomenon is crucial for grasping the metaphorical uses of the phrase. Moving on to the metaphorical sense, when someone says they're caught in a riptide, they're often describing a situation where they feel overwhelmed, out of control, or pulled away from their intended path by forces beyond their control. This could apply to personal circumstances, professional challenges, or emotional struggles. The imagery of being swept away by a powerful current perfectly captures the feeling of being unable to resist or escape a difficult situation. To better understand how this phrase is used, let's look at a few examples. In personal life, ever since the divorce, I've felt like I'm caught in a riptide, struggling to keep my head above water. In the workplace, the merger has left many of us feeling caught in a riptide, unsure of our positions and future in the company. In emotional contexts, dealing with grief is like being caught in a riptide. It pulls you in waves, and you never know when you'll be able to breathe again. These examples illustrate the versatility and expressive power of the phrase, highlighting its ability to convey complex emotional states and situations with a simple, vivid image. When using the phrase, caught in a riptide, it's important to consider the context and the message you want to convey. It's a powerful expression for situations that feel overwhelming and uncontrollable. However, it's also a phrase that carries hope. Just as swimmers can escape a riptide by swimming parallel to the shore, individuals can find ways to navigate their challenges without being overcome by them. We hope this exploration of the phrase, caught in a riptide, has enriched your understanding of English expressions and their deeper meanings. Language is more than just words. It's a window into the human experience, emotions, and the world around us. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep diving deep into the beauty of English, and may you always find your way out of the riptides you encounter.